what I've got here is a pretty cool little thing. It's not a motorcycle helmet, it's definitely not road legal, but it's more of decoration and novelty item. And I've got an order to it to do some gold leaf on it. I'm not gonna waste too much time explaining to what I'm gonna do with it. I'm just gonna get on with it. Let's get it done. And sometime later we've got the nickname on the back, a bit of artwork on the front with 24 karat gold leaf. Right, need to outline it now, leave it to dry, and then clear coat it a couple of times. Let's do this. And just like that, it's outlined and it's curing. Next thing, clear coat that bad boy. Let's do this. Okay, so I skip forward just a little bit. I've added some details to it. I wasn't happy with it completely, so I've added some extra colors. I've added some hidden details, some ghosts, little knuckle dusters that you will be able to see much better when the whole thing is clear coated, because I'm hoping they will pop. And a couple of extra small details that I will show you later. This bad boy is ready for clear coating, so next shot is when we're nearly done. Fast forward, well, a couple more days really, and it's been clear coated, and you can now see what I meant when they randomly appear when you shine light to them. Them little knuckle dusters pattern over here, they're not really visible in your face, but they really appear randomly as I move that little crash helmet. Well, anyway, that's not the end of it yet, because I still need to put some pinstriping on each side. It's not going to be a symmetrical one. I'm just going to do something that flows with the design. Let's do this. ready, guys. Airbrushed, gold leafed, clear coated and pinstriped. What do you think?